Alright, guys. Look, I know I did say I might release it, release the Last Extinct Birds, series, when I get all the extinct birds, but, yeah. It's just, yeah. So, I'm, like, a little too lazy to wait until I get, like, a lot of feathers. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna, like, start it. But before I start it, make sure to leave a like, and burn that subscribe button. It's a thing I came up with myself, just in case, so, it's like a subscribe thing I came up with. Yeah, sorry, I have a bad, well, it's not like a cold or anything, but I have allergies acting up again. So, make sure to leave a like, burn that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Okay, so this is probably gonna be the pilot of the series, just to let you know. Okay, yeah, I kept you waiting long enough. Let's begin. Well, it's morning. Alright, let's make myself some breakfast. I just like being alone in the days. Alright. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's see. I'm kinda hungry. I'm gonna probably just cook something. Okay. Okay. Don't know why I still have that on. That's weird. Okay. And banana. Pfft. Yeah, right. Bananas are stupid. What about... okay. Let's see what we have. Fish, an apple, an acorn, berries, and a nut. Or seed, whatever you call it. Berries, my favorite. Of course, I was going to choose berries. Okay, just gotta put it in the darn whatever thing. God. Okay. Okay, learn how to put this in. No, I missed. Okay. Go in there. Dang it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to jump a little bit. Okay, yeah, this is probably gonna be a little difficult. Aha! There we go. And next, let's see, what else do we have? I mean, if I'm gonna make a darn berry soup, I gotta mix it up with some kind of delicious fleshy bone. Ah! Okay, yeah, I gotta be careful when I do that. Oh boy, this is gonna take a while. Try to get all the small things in here. And there's the bone. Let's see, what else do we have? Aha! Fish. This is probably, like, least my favorite, but it's still delicious. Okay. How do I know how to jump? Because I'm a genius. Can't believe I had the house to myself, because no one has been living here in years. It doesn't really fit, but it still is gonna, you know, hold on. Let's try put it in. Aha! There we go. Okay. And let's turn that on, and we're gonna wait until that cooks. Oh my god. I can't wait to taste this up. Okay, I think my food is done. Hold on, let me turn this off. Alright. Let's get you guys to my face plate. Alright. Let's get you guys eating up. Oh my god, that tastes so delicious. This might be a quick breakfast. So delicious. Oh, great. More people just invite me to darn vlogs. And I thank you guys. Why did they always say that to me? Oh, who's there? Someone's knocking on my door. Who's there? Hello? Let me just... Okay, you gotta give him a second. Oh. Oh, look who it is. The Royal Messenger, Sunshine. Yes. As you can see, I'm here to tell you that the Queen has sent her, sent her what? Let me guess. Your messenger? I knew you'd guess that. Well, turns out, Red, I'm sorry to say this, but she's outcasting you. What do you mean outcasting me? She's outcasting you from, this place. So, yeah, since the whole place is... I haven't even done anything wrong. Why is she just doing that? Well, sorry, but it's her choice. Whoa, wait, you can't just do that to me. Oh, I'm sorry, Red. I wish I was here to help. But the Queen said you're going to move somewhere tomorrow. Well, then tell her something. I'm not moving away. This was the only house I found when I was born. How do I say this, Red? You're a homeless Sapeornis, okay? Good night. You get the heck back here right now. Damn it. Ugh, what the hell? I'm just gonna read a book, maybe that'll calm me down. Hopefully that will. If it doesn't, I'm gonna lose my mind. Let's see what this book has to say about calming down business. I don't care if I get outcasted. Every time. Seriously, this is what happens? This is what I get in the mornings? Ugh. So stupid. Ugh. Whatever. Wait, a note? What's a note doing here? Come to the ice mountain, but that place is cold as hell. Well, hell isn't cold, but it's just a suggestion. Oh, look who is trying to read book to sleep. Who are you? My name is DarkWatcher. Oh, great. So, let me guess, you're probably like the new spy of the Queen. Very cool. I don't care. Oh, no. I'm not really part of that. Your name is Red, isn't it? Did you put that? No. Yes, I did. Oh my goodness. Do I have to explain this every time? Why do I have to go to the ice mountain with you? Do you live there? I live more than there. But if you come with me, I'll show you what I mean. So will you come, or will you stay? I'll think about it in the morning. Yeah, that is what a good dinosaur